Friday, July the 5th, 2024. Before we get started installing our new dash camera and reviewing a couple of other of these products, let's go up the hill and see if we can get that leak fixed on the Jeep. It is already about 85 degrees, 85% humidity. It's already oppressive. But let's see if we can get this done before it gets any worse. I need to get 4 used tires for the 95 Grand Cherokee and a battery so I can start driving it more. Get this leak fixed in the fan. This 97 Cherokee has 2 fans, a manual fan and an electric fan. The electric fan, from what I can tell, is not coming on. It's supposed to come on at 210, I think. But we've got a leak at the radiator hose right there, and I think it's just the band is not far enough up on there. I don't know if we can, what we can get on it with. This is a you know, if an automotive engineer had to work on cars for 2 years before he could design anything, cars would be designed much different. But they don't. They get away with crap. I'm not going to be able to get in there with that 5/16. This band has got to go further up, and I've still got to be able to tighten it. We put a new dryer on the other day, 2 weeks ago. I want to make sure it's still charged and there are not any leaks. And if we can get this leak fixed in the radiator, and we can't hardly see, the sun is right. Yeah, that's the problem, I think, on this. I don't know that we're going to be able to get a screwdriver, or maybe we can get an open end in there. Or a box end. Get on up there. You got to get up there a little bit closer. The neck of that radiator didn't stick out far enough. Still needs to get a little closer. I don't know if it's going, I don't think it's going to get any closer. We got several products to review. I said we want to get that dash camera installed. It also has a rear view camera. That may get that leak fixed. I don't want to tighten it too tight. That plastic neck's liable to crack and break. Okay, let's crank it up. How's the water? Okay, we've got antifreeze, so we're okay on that. Crank it up. We need to change this oil too. We've got filter and oil. It's full, but it does need to be changed. We'll try to get that this weekend. Unless we take off to South Georgia, which we might very well. I'd like to get video of the house that burnt. I'd like to get go swimming in the Satilla and the St. Mary's River. They're low. Get video down there. And I haven't been down there in a couple of months, so it's time to get back. I'm gonna make sure I get these tools put up and they don't fall down in there somewhere and that to be retrieved. Let's see if the air works. We'll have to tighten that belt, aren't we? I have always had trouble with this belt. Or is that the compressor clutch? That may have been that. I had it right there on it. Forgot to move it back off. Need to run this underneath there. Well, I guess. I don't know. It could end up down there in the fan. Oh, my walking stick, or one of them. It's cooling down. I think it may have it, and I think it's probably still charged. We'll check it. Yeah, the compressor is engaged, it is running, so it's still got enough, at least it's got enough Freon to keep running. Yeah, lines are cold. It's been a great little vehicle. I bought it with 148,000 miles on it 11 years ago this coming Christmas. Now it's got what, 300 and what? I love these little things. I'd love to find another one, a nicer one with a moonroof, the computer up here and everything. I don't know if I could hook a computer to that, if it's got the sensors and everything that would report it in it or not. That doesn't feel as cold to me as it should. Hopefully we've got that leak fixed up there. When the temperature gets up, I don't know if that fan's supposed to come on at 210 or 220. Starting to squeak a little bit again. I want to get the windshield replaced. Yeah, it's got 314,969 now. Idling a little bit rough, but that's that air conditioner's pulling on it. Spider web, Jaro. Where's our little gauge? Here it is. It's showing it's overfilled, or right at full, right at filled. We've got to adjust the brakes on the electric bicycle too. Here is the tool kit for that. We may bring it up here. We'd have to get the van, bring the van, unless we do it down there. And I may want to take a nap in the van where it'll be a little bit cooler in the shop. Okay. Okay, well, I think we'll turn this video off. This should be a wrap. Yeah, that one's got over 400,000 miles on it. About it new. We got transmission problems again. But I need to get 4 used tires, a battery, start driving it around a little bit around here. Okay, let's see how this feels, then we're going to turn it off to be a wrap. Go work on the bicycle. It doesn't feel as cool as it ought to me. We need to get the temperature, the thermometer, and shoot it. I didn't replace the compressor. I may ought to have replaced the compressor too. It's almost at 210. Okay, I heard that clutch come on. It's coming on and off. Where are you, temperature sending unit? There it is, right there. That's not hard to replace at all. We will. Yeah, it's got 2 wires. We're going to get a temperature sending unit and replace it. See if it'll let that. This is the electric fan. Manual fan's over there. And see, the electric fan is not coming on, but I have checked it. It does work. If you jump it off, it works. We may end up having to run us a switch to the fan, run it inside, and just turn it on and off ourselves manually if I can't find the problem. Okay, well, this video is getting long enough. Let's turn it off, and this will be a wrap, and we'll get this one uploaded.